Hello everyone and welcome back to this little video. Today I'm gonna explain to you the difference between BNB and Smartchain. What is the difference? Because there are so many people that ask me questions about this, or when they try to swap BNB to a smaller token, then they're like, well, my balance is not showing on my Trustwallet, and I get so many questions related to this topic, like, can I swap normal BNB to smaller tokens? What is the difference? Like, are they the same coin? Do they have the same value? Like, what actually is the difference? Like, so many people have trouble understanding this, and I'm not an expert on cryptocurrency, but today I'm gonna try to explain to you the most important differences and what they also have in common, BNB versus Smartchain. So let's get started. First of all, they are the same coin. Yeah, that means they have the same value at all times. I can go to my Trust wallet and I can open up Smartchain and I can open up BNB. They have two different listings in the Trust wallet because in the end they are a bit different. I'll come to this in a bit. But they have the same value at all times. So it doesn't matter for me whether I have it in Smartchain in my Trust wallet or whether I have it in BNB on my Trust wallet. It doesn't matter. They're worth exactly the same because they are the same coin. They're in the end BNB. Also Smartchain is BNB in the end, yeah? So it is in the end the same thing, which is BNB. So we come to the question now, what is the difference? So what is the difference between them? And there's one fundamental thing that is different, which is the network. The network is different, which is BEP2 versus BSC. BSC for Smartchain and BEP2 for Binance Coin, yeah? For normal BNB. So, what exactly is now the difference? Why do we have two different networks? And it doesn't really matter for us who just want to invest in cryptocurrency. I don't even know so much about the technical stuff myself, but what is important for us to understand is that Smartchain is used when swapping into smaller coins or tokens. And this is what a lot of you guys asked me for. Like, hey, can I change normal BNB, so not Smartchain, to within PancakeSwap, for example, to other tokens? And the answer is, from what I know and from what I have seen so far, no, you need to have Smartchain ready, otherwise it doesn't work. So there were many cases over the last days. Some of my videos got like over 37,000 views, which is crazy for me. So thank you guys so much for the support. And there were lots of people telling me, hey, my balance is not showing on my PancakeSwap. I have BNB ready, but the problem was they didn't convert it to Smartchain first. And then obviously the balance, because PancakeSwap works with Smartchain, it doesn't really work. Yeah, it just doesn't function. So your balance will in the end show up as 0, even though you have BNB in your Trust wallet. So this is the little symbol for Smartchain. This is important. Yeah, the black one is Smartchain and the yellow one is BNB. And when just holding BNB, so I'm talking about the Binance coin, if you just try to invest in the Binance coin, then you can just use the BEP2 network, and most people have it in BNB. Although, as I've already said, they have the same value, it doesn't really matter. I can, like, for example, right now, I have like 2,000 euros or so in Smartchain in my Trust wallet. And I have it in Smartchain because I might invest it into some smaller tokens in the future. But for now, I'm good with just having it as Smartchain, because Smartchain is going up. In the last couple of days, it's been going up. Maybe it will stop going up so much in the next couple of days, and then I will invest it into some other tokens at a good price. But for now, I'm happy having it as Smartchain because there's fundamentally no difference between having it as in Smartchain or in BNB on your Trust wallet. So the important thing for you to understand is when you try to swap BNB to smaller tokens, you must have it ready in Smartchain. Smartchain has the black little symbol and BNB has the yellow circle with the white logo inside. Yeah, so this is the difference between the two coins. And the only difference fundamentally is the network, but you can convert them super easily in your Trust wallet. I made a whole other video about this. You can go back to my channel and watch this video. You can convert it within seconds between the two coins. Also, if you purchase BNB on Binance, you can literally select which format you want to store it in by selecting the network in the end, by going to your trust wallet, to the one that you want to store it in. So either Smartchain or BNB. As I said, they're listed in 2 different categories, although you will see they have the exact same price. You can just tap on one. Let's say I want to have it in Smartchain. I click on Smartchain and I click receive. I paste the address in Binance, and it will automatically select the BSC network, or at least it should. If it doesn't, then just put in BSC network. So it's extremely simple to swap between the two and to convert them. As I said, I made a video about this on my channel, how to convert it if you already have it in your trust wallet, and let's say you have BNB in your trust wallet and you want to invest in some smaller coins or tokens, you can convert it within seconds inside your trust wallet as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found some value in this video. I would really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, and I launched my Patreon page as well. So if you find some value, if you really find value, and if I don't know, if I show you some tutorials that in the end will go to moon and that will make you rich, then give me a $5 on Patreon and I'd be more than happy. Also, I listed my wallets down below. No, but genuinely, I don't really know how to use Patreon. I don't think I even have these tiers yet, so I don't really know what to do. But I did launch my Patreon page, and I'm gonna put it into the description, and maybe we can find 1 or 2 patrons. It would mean the world to me. My channel, like 2 videos have been going crazy. They have like over 30,000 views. Guys, this is crazy for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, then just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more crypto tutorials.